First, when it comes to the evacuation of Indian nationals, how is Iranian government helping India? And my second question is, we have seen the Pakistani army chief going to US at a time when Iran, which is its neighbor, has been suffering the attack. So what do you have to say about the Pakistani presence? Because they discuss Iran as well, and there are reports that the American side is keen that Pakistan helps them in whatever plans they are making.
Regarding your first question, we are in a close contact with the MEA, Minister of Foreign Affairs in Tehran, and your embassy in Tehran, Indian embassy. Before coming here, I was just actually making the kind of arrangement for safe evacuation of some Indian nationals. To tell you, the first flight will land tonight in the Delhi airport. And there would be more 2 flights we are arranging for the safe passage of Indian who wants to via air or via road to the third countries or directly from Iran to here. Secondly, regarding your second question, I hope that they won't do this one, because there is difference between propaganda, because many actually false and some biased allegation are in the medias, and you can find it everywhere. But I hope that Pakistan won't go for that one and stand with Iran against the Israeli aggression, because the aggression of Israel against Iran, definitely, if it is not stopped, the next one would be another country who will support that Israel.
So India distanced itself from the SCO statement. So how do you see that?
You know that according to things that negotiation we had with the Indian officials, the India says we have the stance, which is because they have the both. They say both they have the good relation with the both countries, Iran and Israel, and they wanted to show their neutrality in between. We have told them it is not a matter of Iran and Israel conflict. It is a matter of aggression against a sovereign country. It is a matter of blatant violation of international law, which should be condemned, no matter who would be the who actually prepared this ground, or they have done it. Regarding SCO, it is actually the decision of the Indian government. And I think in the SCO, if they wanted to pass a resolution for adopting and communique at the end, they need some kind of consensus. And at the beginning, when India didn't show the consent, actually didn't break this consensus, it showed that at least it could be considered as a positive. But we expected India to actually, not for the sake of Iran, for the sake of the international law, to condemn these actions.